శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము 625th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 71st chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Karna in that Kauravas assembly saying to Draupadi like this, O Draupadi, you are now servant. These Pandavas are not your husbands anymore. This Dharmaraju doesn't know about the life. He doesn't realize that Parakramam, the courage, valor is the main aspects of life. He doesn't know that. That is why this Dharmaraju kept you as a bet in this gambling. Like that, when Karna said harsh words, immediately Bhimasena, with so much of anger, while looking at Dharmaraju, Dahannivayenam Krodha Samrakta Drushtihi, Bhimasena looking at Dharmaraju as if he is going to burn Dharmaraju with the fire coming out of his eyes. To that extent, with so much of anger, Bhimasena saying to Dharmaraju like this, Oh my dear brother Dharmaja, I am not getting mad at Karna because you are the one who gave him the chance to speak like this harsh words, bad words. If you did not keep our Draupadi as a bet, he would not have dared to say all these bad things. And also all these enemies would not dare to look at all of us like this. Like that, Bhimasena said to Dharmaraj. Then Duryodhana saying with so much of pride and proud, with the ego, he is saying, Oh Dharmaja, you have to answer Draupadi's question. Do you think that Draupadi is not defeated in this gambling? What do you think? Like that, Duryodhana, while sarcastically saying to Dharmaraju, while giving a bad signs to Karna, while provoking Bhimasena, while looking at Draupadi and laughing at Draupadi, Duryodhana Savyam Vurum Adarisayat. He lifted his cloth and showing his left thigh to Draupadi. When Duryodhana did like that, Bhimasena has seen that. He immediately got up. His eyes became so red and he opened his red eyes widely and provacha rajamadhye tam sabham vishravayanniva. And having all the kings listening to his words, Bhimasena loudly saying in that Kauravas assembly like this. What he is saying we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.